Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a lawful, safe environment. Get authorized API access and confirm rate limits so you don't trigger blocks. Once done, write a concise test plan describing what you will probe and why, and obtain permission if you're testing systems you don't own. Make sure to use isolated accounts and synthetic data rather than real user information. This protects privacy and keeps your work ethical. You'll move faster and avoid legal or operational problems if you set these basics first. Next, design targeted, non-destructive edge case tests to reveal translation limitations. You should mix long sentences, multiple languages, rare Unicode code points, and control characters while avoiding payloads intended to crash or exploit systems. Once you have cases, automate small, rate-limited batches and collect response text, error codes, and latency. Make sure to timestamp and annotate each run so you can reproduce and explain findings. Doing this methodically helps you isolate behavior without harming the service or violating terms. Finally, interpret results and practice responsible disclosure. Summarize issues, include concise reproduction steps and safe examples, and estimate potential user impact. You should submit this packet through official bug reporting or support channels and await guidance. If you're blocked or rate limited, stop testing and follow the provider's instructions before continuing. One troubleshooting tip: if responses differ unpredictably, reduce parallelism and add consistent request headers to eliminate transient rate or regional routing effects. This often clarifies whether behavior is systemic or environmental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.